What's up? What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. So we are dividing a polynomial by a binomial. So we cannot use the same process as dividing by a monomial. With a binomial or larger, we actually have to use long division. So I actually have to write this as x minus 6 divided by, and notice I wrote this long here because I have to write down or actually put placeholders for all the missing terms, like plus 0x to the third, plus 0x squared, plus 0x, then plus 1296. Okay, so the placeholder helps me keep things organized, okay? And I'll show you as I go, all right? So there's 4 steps, just like if we were doing long division with numbers. We'll ask ourselves, how many times does x go into x to the 4th? So off to the side, we can say, okay, well, we have x to the 4th divided by x, and I get x to the 3rd. So I'm going to put down x to the 3rd here above the x to the 3rd. Then I'm going to take the x to the 3rd and I'm going to multiply by x minus 6. And when I multiply, I'm going to get x to the 4th minus 6x to the 3rd. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer that over here. X to the 4th minus 6x to the 3rd. That was step 2. Step 3 is that I would flip the signs of each term that I just got. So x to the 4th is positive, it becomes negative. And since I have negative 6x to the 3rd, that's going to become a plus 6x to the 3rd. I'm going to add. So I'm going to have a 6x to the 3rd. Then the 4th step is I'm bringing the next term down. Okay, then I repeat all of the same 4 steps. How many times does x go into x to 6x to the 3rd? Okay, so I come over here, 6x to the 3rd divided by x, and I get 6x squared. Great, I'm going to have 6x squared, and I'm going to multiply by x minus 6. Excuse me. And I'm going to get a 6x to the 3rd minus 36x squared. Transfer that over here. Oops, I forgot to put down the plus 6x squared. And the reason why I use plus is because this is positive, so that's why I use the plus, okay? So here, I'm going to transfer this 6x to the 3rd minus 36x squared right here. Step 3 is to flip the signs of what I just had and add. So I'm going to get a 36x squared. And step 4, bring down the next term, which is plus 0x. I repeat the steps again. How many times is x? Go into 36x squared. It doesn't like it. Okay. So off to the side, I would say, okay, I got 36x to the 3rd squared divided by x, and I'll get a 36x. And since that's positive, I'm going to put down plus 36x. Then I'm going to take that 36x and I'm going to multiply by x minus 6. And I'm going to get a 36x squared minus 216. All right, great. So let's go ahead and transfer that over here. 36x squared minus 216x. Forgot the x here. There we go. Then flip the signs and add. So I'm going to get 216x and bring down the next term, which is plus 1296. And then again, how many times does x to the 6, x go into (216x)? So over here on the side, I want to say, okay, 216x divided by x gives me 216. So I'm going to put down plus 216. And now I want to take the 216 and multiply by x minus 6. And I'm going to get 216x minus 1296. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer that over here. 216x minus 1296. Flip the signs and add. And I'm going to have a, what is this, a 2592. And that would be my remainder. So my answer, the 2592, will come up. And since that's positive, it's going to be a plus this fraction here of the 2592 that's remaining over the x minus 6. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be choice C. And I hope that helps. If there's any questions, let me know. Later. Bye.